is Jackie with WTI, and if you're looking for a really nice foundation that goes on smooth and has light to medium coverage, the Tarte Face Tape Double Duty Beauty foundation is one that I have been using for years. So this one is in the color 22N. So it's the one like I'm wearing right now. Just this little bit on the brush is all I need to do my makeup on my entire face, and it looks so natural, so fresh. It lasts all day. It gives me a nice not too matte, because I like to look like fresh skin. So it's not quite dewy, but it's not quite matte. I just really like that. Tarte cosmetics are made with clean ingredients. It's hypoallergenic. It doesn't, you know, irritate my skin. It doesn't feel heavy. I hate when I feel the makeup on my skin. I don't feel the makeup on my skin with this. So I really like it. I've used it, like I said, for years. This color is the color I use when I have no tan on my face. It's the 22N Tarte Face Tape, and I highly recommend this, and that's my point of view.